He is at it again. Yogi Adityanath triggers another row with his controversial comment, targets Azam Khan. Let's take a listen.
समाजवादी पार्टी का वो कौवा है, जहां उसको बैठना उसको सूखना ही सूखना है, इस पेड़ को है, इसलिए उसको बहुत गंभीरता नहीं देनी चाहिए।
महाराज जी, उन्होंने एक और बयान दिया है कि जिनको बच्चे पैदा करने का वो ना हो, हमसे आकर के गुण सीखें।
ठीक बात है, उनको पाकिस्तान भेजना चाहिए। हमारे यहाँ सूअर भी बहुत बच्चा पैदा करते हैं और आजम खान को बताना चाहिए कि सूअर कैसे बच्चा पैदा करते हैं। उनको देखना, संभवतः उन्होंने उससे कुछ प्रेरणा ली होगी।
Well, there you heard it. Yogi Adityanath using rather offensive language against Azam Khan. This is again perhaps another instance of how he makes his very, very controversial statements. He has in a way gained the reputation of being somewhat of a loose cannon. He had made communally sensitive remarks earlier. This time, his target seems to be Azam Khan. Pranshu, coming to you, Yogi Adityanath making a very controversial statement there, commenting on Azam Khan. What is the larger agenda here? What is he trying to say?
Yogi Adityanath's comment on Azam Khan suggesting that he must be sent to Pakistan, basically is a reply to what Azam Khan has said day before yesterday in Bijnor. Remember, there Azam Khan has launched a very below the belt attack against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, even saying, questioning his bachelor route, saying that if he is so fond of children, then he should come to Azam Khan to understand how to breed children. So clearly that was a very derogatory remark in a very bad taste. Yogi Adityanath, the BJP MP, was of course replying to replying the media questions on what Azam Khan has said against the Prime Minister. So clearly it seems that this is the remark, one bad remark against another bad remark which was earlier made by Mr. Azam Khan. Clearly, Yogi Adityanath's comment could not be justified, could not be taken in a good spirit. But the fact remains that earlier on, it was Azam Khan who has first made a very derogatory or the rather objectionable remark against Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
All right, Pranshu, stay on with us. Let's listen into exactly what Yogi Adityanath had said.
समाजवादी पार्टी का वो कौवा है, जहां उसको बैठना उसको सूखना ही सूखना है, इस पेड़ को है, इसलिए उसको बहुत गंभीरता नहीं देनी चाहिए।
महाराज जी, उन्होंने एक और बयान दिया है कि जिनको बच्चे पैदा करने का वो ना हो, हमसे आकर के गुण सीखें।
ठीक बात है, उनको पाकिस्तान भेजना चाहिए। हमारे यहाँ सूअर भी बहुत बच्चा पैदा करते हैं और आजम खान को बताना चाहिए कि सूअर कैसे बच्चा पैदा करते हैं। उनको देखना, संभवतः उन्होंने उससे कुछ प्रेरणा ली होगी।
Right, Pranshu, you were saying that there is a background to this. There were certain derogatory statements made on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in response to which we see this rant by Yogi Adityanath. But there is no mention of that particular statement here. We just have him literally, talking about Azam Khan per se and how he should not be given importance and how he should be sent to Pakistan.
Yes, that's right. In fact, I mean, if you consider what Yogi Adityanath has said, there is a larger strategy of the BJP and the entire Hindutva organizations to target Azam Khan in particular amongst the entire Samajwadi Party. Remember, it might have been the case of Muzaffarnagar riots. Azam Khan was projected as the epicenter, as the biggest demon amongst all. So clearly, what Yogi Adityanath is saying is also twofold. It is also the part of the strategy to somehow identify Azam Khan, target Azam Khan, and thereby project Samajwadi Party as somewhat inclined towards Muslim appeasement. But clearly, it is also a very personal attack, a derogatory attack against senior Samajwadi Party leader. But there is also a side that even earlier, a couple of days back in Bijnor, Azam Khan had also not been shy of making a derogatory remark against Prime Minister Narendra Modi.